Alrighty, it is 7:50 for 2.4 miles. That's how we starting off our day today. Let's get it. It's 5 o'clock. I hope y'all ready for an exciting one. It is hot as hell. It's 102 degrees. Look at this. Y'all see that?
Really, nigga?
I don't know if y'all can see that, but believe me, hot as hell. Let's get it. We about to deliver some food and make some money. Let's go. Oh my goodness, it is so hot outside, but it's all good. 9 minutes, we got the shopping done for that order. First delivery of the day. Alrighty, so got my next order. We got, oh snaps, look at Grubhub trying to mess up my video. It's all good. I got my next order. We got $6 for 2 miles right here at McDonald's. What's this? Dang. $20.65 for 22 miles. Man, that's crazy. Gas price is what it is? No. That's how I like it. Don't even give me no time to breathe. $6 for 2 miles. Let's get it done.
Thank you.
Alrighty, so order number 4 looks like we're gonna be checking in at Applebee's. We got $7 for 4.6 miles, but look, it's 6 items on there. So I think DoorDash playing game.
Stop it.
But either way, I gotta keep the wheels rolling because it's dinner time and I gotta get this money. Let's get it done. And 9 times out of 10, this order is not gonna be ready. Stephanie K. You have a good evening. Last time I was at Applebee's, it took them like 15 minutes to prepare the order, but like 4 minutes, so that's actually pretty good. They got a lot of food on this one. Look at this food. They got like, you know, 3 meals. Alrighty, so just got an offer, $13.75 for what's that? 3.7 miles right here at Subway, and it's going in the same direction as that Applebee's order that I just picked up, so you know I'm about to go ahead and knock that out. It's at $13.75 for 3.7 miles. That's 3 to 1 miles to money ratio. Let's get it done. We're checking in at Qdoba. We got $4.50 for 2 miles. All right, check me out. So as I was pulling up to Qdoba, they sent me an add-on, another $4.50 for 2 additional miles. Just! Can I get a soda? Can I get a soda? I don't know if 450 is my lucky number for today. We got my next order right here at Royal Palace. 450 for 2 miles. I'm thinking these are orders that other people didn't decline. So I got my next order already. We got $7.50 for 4.7 miles. Wow, so that was actually a pretty good grocery pickup order. $7.50 what was shown, $12.75 is what we got. Alrighty, these orders coming back to back now. We got $6.50 for 2 miles right here at Teriyaki Madness. I'm headed back, so I'm gonna check in, and there might be some hidden tips on this one. Let's go. So just got my next order. We're gonna be checking in at Slim Chickens. At $7 for 3-point-something miles. I forgot what it said, but basically like 3.3 miles. Possibility for a hidden tip, but it keeps the wheels rolling. And so we 3 hours in, not made it to the 4th hour yet. So it's very, very important that we keep these wheels rolling and do as many orders as possible, but within reason. So looks like we got an add-on for Buffalo Wild Wings, an additional $6 for 1 mile, going in the same direction. Let's get it. We're gonna get both of them done. Yep. Thank you. Time is now 9 o'clock. Just got my next order. $7.75 for 3 miles right here at McDonald's. Nice order right here. It's actually a light order too. It's only one item, so I'm surprised that it's paying this much. Must have been a few declines on it. They bumped up that base pay a little bit. Just got my next order. We're gonna be checking in at It's Just Wings, aka Chili's. Yes sir, just got my next order. We got $8 for 4.3 miles right here at Chick-fil-A.